KK and welcome to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back, and if you are new, welcome in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're already here, you clicked on it obviously because you wanted to know a little bit more information about this unit that I have on right here. So without further ado, I'm going to be doing wig slay with KK. Wig slay with KK. Hey. But now for real, let me go ahead and get into the details. This is the Model Freedom Part wig in the style number 101, and it is in the color not 1B, baby, not 1B. It's in OT30. So if you see on the stock card, it says that it's a Freedom Part wig and you can shift it left and right. I'm not doing it. I'm wearing it as a middle part. It does it justice. I'm not going to shift it around and do all the other stuff. So I actually have this very same wig in the color 1B. If you've watched my videos before, you've probably seen it in a couple of my makeup tutorials previous to this one, but I decided to go with a color. Why? Because in 2018 we're not going with the usual. We're stepping outside of comfort zone. We're breaking barriers. We're snatching edges, okay? And I'm just so proud of myself because this is my first color wig and I think I did a great job. I would describe it as like a milk and honey color, slay your life, honey cinnamon apple toast crunch, whatever, French toast, whatever, honey blonde. So I got this wig from my local beauty supply store. It was $43. Of course, if I do find it cheaper online, I will put it in the description box. I just love how soft it is. Like my black one when I got out the package was so soft, so you can really tell they took their time with this one. They took their time. So this unit does come with 2 combs in the front and 2 adjustable straps in the back, and also a comb in the back as well. I don't get wigs if they don't have combs in the front because you'll be disrespected if one day someone hugs you and they pull it back and now your wig is back and now your braids are exposed, and we don't need those problems in 2018. So don't buy a wig if it doesn't have combs in the front because you'll be looking crazy. I am gonna come a little closer. I did pluck the part just a little bit, but if you don't feel comfortable with plucking parts, then you really don't even need to pluck this. All you have to do is really apply some concealer and put it on your head. And like you can see, it does have layers in it, which just gives it just so much of a depth. It's not just a regular smagular, just straight wig. It has layers, it has body, you know, has some movement. It shouldn't be called number 101. It should be called KK, okay? It really should be called KK because I feel like the wig was made for me. I feel like it was made for me. I really feel like I need to change this, like, the wig should be called KK. Okay, it should be called KK because do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Let me fix it. Maybe it's called number 101 because it's schooling all the other wigs. It's the basics. It's schooling the other wigs on how to slay. At this point, Model needs to put me on the stock card. Like Model, I'm not playing. Put me on the stock card. Put me on the stock card. Like, what I gotta do? I gotta, like, she did a good job, but I can do a better job. Like, I haven't experienced any tangling. Granted, this is just my first day, but like I said, I have the black one in this same style. I love it. I have this style in this color. I love it. So between that one and this one, I mean, this about to be the go-to for at least the first couple of months of 2018. So that's really all I have to say about this wig. It's bomb. It's amazing. I think it's a game changer for me. As always, thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss one of my videos. We don't need to be missing videos in 2018, okay? There's no reason why we should be missing videos.